Hello everyone, this is B for Try Me Once Reviews, and today we are reviewing magnetic cabinet locks by Safety Baby. So in the pack you get very well packaged 4 magnetic locks. So you can see 4 magnetic locks, latches and 1 magnetic key. So these are basically a solution for closing your cabinets where you don't want your toddlers to open. Usually the safety locks would need you to put your finger in and then use the clip here and there, and children tend to open the closet door a little bit and try to put their finger in, which is indeed more dangerous for them. This is a really neat solution for that problem. So basically it consists of 2 parts. There's this magnetic lock, and then there's this latch on the other side. So this goes onto the cabinet side, so it sticks in the cabinet, and then that's how it's locked. Once you want to open it, you'll just say this piece would go down and your door would open. So now the question comes, how would this piece come down? That's where the beauty of this design comes into play. So you would see, this is the locked position. When it's out there, it's locked position. What's unlocked position? You would be only able to see the unlocked position by the means of using a magnetic key, which is provided. See, as soon as I bring it near, it gets into unlocked position. So that's one nifty feature here. I'll just show you the magnet part. I'm just assuming, let's assume this is a closet door. So let me just so I have this thick piece of wood here, and then you pasted it this way, or let me show it this way. So you pasted your door this way and it's locked right now. As soon as you bring your key here, it unlocks. So the door would only unlock when your key is brought near to it. So that way, if a door is locked, it's gonna stay locked. Your toddler won't be able to open it unless they have this key. The key also comes with this key holder, which you can paste on your refrigerator, a magnetic key holder. Paste it anywhere out of the reach and you should be good. Both latch and the lock comes with this 3M adhesive backing, so you just take it off and install it. There's no screw. You don't need to do any holes on your furniture. The last thing is, so once you install this, would you always need a key to open it? No. If you think now your kids are big enough, or you don't want the lock to work on, there's this knob. So this knob basically locks it and it's gonna stay locked. The whole mechanism come into play once you unlock it. So an excellent magnetic design, which is efficient and easy to install. If you're looking for safeguarding your child-proofing your cabinets, this is a very neat way to go for it. And this was B for Try Me Once Review, and we were doing a review for Safety Baby magnetic cabinet locks. Thanks for watching.